Today I am going to discuss about manual desoldering with a desoldering pump. Whenever you want to replace any component from a printed circuit board, you have to desolder it to replace it. So it is an important part of servicing any electronic equipment. But sometimes it takes much time to desolder when we do not follow some simple proper steps for desoldering. So let us today discuss about the steps before doing desoldering. First of all, you have to ensure that your desoldering tool is working in its full capacity. To check it, you have to check the suction power of your desoldering tool. And inside this barrel, there is a rubber piston and a spring which sucks air from this nozzle. To check the suction function, you have to place your finger in the nozzle and press the button. If this plunger moves very quickly, then this piston is not working to its full capacity. To repair this or to bring this piston in its full capacity, you have to make sure that the rubber ring is clean and no solder dust is present inside this barrel. So you have to clean this piston regularly. To solve this problem, you have to open the desoldering tool like this. Yes, and ensure that this rubber ring is clean and no dust, soldering particles are. Clean this rubber piston so that no soldering particles remain. Also clean the teeth so that there is no obstructions. You may also apply some grease or Vaseline to lubricate the rubber ring. Now reinstall the ring. And you notice the plunger moves very slowly to the top. This means the air sucking mechanism is acting properly. These are solder and it contains lead, so which is not good for health. So dispose this with care. You have to regularly clean the desoldering pump to keep it in excellent condition. Now, before desoldering, identify the pins, and if the circuit board is very old, add some new solder to the soldering pins. This will make the solder very liquid. Add some new solder. You see, uh, now the joints are quickly becoming liquidified, and this will make the desoldering process very easy. Otherwise, it will be very cumbersome. And you may also add some soldering paste to the joints to make the solder more liquid. It will help uh, desoldering very quick and easy. Okay, when the solder becomes very liquid with this little heat, then apply the soldering iron and the desoldering pump simultaneously and push the button. It will suck the liquid solder. You have to repeat the process 2 to 3 times if all the solders do not come out in a single stroke. And then check the pins that all the solders have been removed, or if not, please use your finger to loose the pins. Then pull off the parts. That's it. So always keep the soldering iron in a good condition. That is, its piston must be clean, and add some additional new solder to the joint before desoldering, and it will make the soldering a very quick and easy process. Thanks for watching.